Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Hotel Tips channel, and today we are going to dive headfirst into one of the most spectacular resorts in the Fiji Islands, the Shangri-La Yanuca Island, Fiji. Stay with me and I will tell you all the details for your trip to be unforgettable. Take the opportunity to leave your like and subscribe to the channel, and very important, the resort link is in the video description and here on the QR code. Clarify your doubts and make your reservations safely on linktobooking.com. Starting with the dream location, the Shangri-La Yanuca Island is located on Yanuca Island, Vua, Fiji. And what makes this so special? It's a private island. That's right, you have the exclusivity of an island connected to Viti Levu, the main island of Fiji, by a walkway. This means privacy, but with the convenience of land access. And to get here, you can land at the closest airport, which is Nadi International Airport, NAN, in Viti Levu. From the airport, the resort is approximately 45 to 60 minutes by car, crossing the famous Coral Coast. You can arrange a private transfer with the resort itself, highly recommended for convenience, or take a taxi. The accommodations are designed to offer maximum comfort and stunning views. The rooms and suites are spacious, with decor inspired by Fijian culture and modern touches. You can choose from standard rooms and suites, many with private balconies or patios, offering views of the lush garden or the crystal-clear ocean. They are perfect for relaxing after a day of adventures. Burrs, villas, beachfront. These are the most coveted accommodations. Right on the sand, they offer an authentic Fijian experience with privacy and direct access to the beach. Ideal for couples or families looking for a special touch. The Reef Wing, an exclusive area for adults, offering a quieter and more elegant atmosphere, with its own private pool and restaurant. Ideal for couples. All rooms feature air conditioning, minibar, flat-screen TV, free Wi-Fi, and a spacious bathroom. And now, when it comes to gastronomy, the Shangri-La offers a variety of restaurants and bars for all tastes. Lagoon Terrace. Hearty breakfast with lagoon views, and themed dinners celebrating local and international flavors. Takali Terrace and Bar. Delicious fresh seafood and Asian cuisine, with a spectacular sunset view. Perfect for a romantic dinner. Bilo Bar. A casual poolside bar, great for snacks and refreshing cocktails during the day. Beach Bar and Grill. Light and relaxed food directly on the beach. Golden Cowrie Coastal Italian. An exquisite experience with Italian flavors and an elegant atmosphere. Oso Island Bar. At night, this becomes the meeting point with live music and a relaxed atmosphere. Well-being and tranquility. The Kai. The spa is a sanctuary of peace and rejuvenation. With treatments inspired by Asian philosophies, you can enjoy relaxing massages, body and facial therapies in private rooms with paradisiacal views. It is the perfect place to forget stress and reconnect. Leisure and unlimited fun. The Shangri-La Yanuca Island is an amusement park for all ages. Incredible pools. Several pools, including one with a children's area and the exclusive Reef Wing pool, adults only. Paradise beaches, with direct access to white sand beaches and calm waters, ideal for swimming and relaxing. Marine Education Center. Dive into marine education and conservation, learning about coral reefs and local marine life. You can even participate in coral planting programs. Free aquatic activities, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and snorkeling are available to explore the calm lagoon waters. Kids Club and Teen Zone. The resort offers supervised programs for children and teenagers, ensuring everyone's fun. 9-hole executive golf course. For golf lovers, a great option to practice your swing with spectacular views. Tennis courts. Stay active with a game of tennis. Tours and excursions. The concierge can arrange tours to nearby islands, diving in famous reefs, and other cultural experiences. Main advantages of staying at Shangri-La. Private island location. Offers exclusivity and a sense of isolation, but with easy access to the main island. Great option for families and couples. Separate areas and activities ensure fun and relaxation for everyone. Focus on sustainability and conservation. The Marine Education Center is a great differential. Gastronomic variety. Many restaurant and bar options to please all palates. Authentic Fijian hospitality. The famous Bula, hello, and the warmth of the Fijian people make the experience even more special. Conclusion: the Shangri-La Yanuca Island, Fiji is a complete destination that combines the luxury and comfort of a 5-star resort with the natural beauty and welcoming culture of Fiji. It is the perfect place to create unforgettable memories, whether on a romantic honeymoon, a family adventure, or a relaxing trip. Have you ever imagined diving in these blue waters or enjoying a magical sunset? Tell me in the comments if you have visited Fiji or if Shangri-La is on your wish list. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next travel videos. A kiss and Beulah. Until next time.